Hi, I'm Michael and I'm overseeing the Center for Theology and Psychology here at MST Eastern. This is a little video explaining what the center is all about. Now, first of all, the center is situated within Melbourne School of Theology and Eastern College, and we share their mission to equip God's people with transformative theology and to help them communicate the good news of Jesus Christ to a diverse and changing world. And we at the center, we believe that by integrating the two disciplines of theology and psychology, we will be able to pursue this mission even more effectively. More precisely, we seek to contribute to a positive transformation in Christian leaders who are serving in really various areas in God's kingdom. And our goal is to see Christian leaders flourishing as they are built up in resilience and well-being, and as they are then better equipped to grow and to nurture healthy communities. Now, how do we pursue these goals? CTP offers support in three main areas. First of all, there's the workshop area, and here we offer regular workshops for Christian leaders where we seek to learn and grow together as disciples of Jesus Christ. And our flagship course at the moment is the Thriving Christian Leader Program, and you can find more about this workshop series on our website. And then there's secondly the teaching wing, and here we offer new interdisciplinary courses that are really tailored for those serving in vocational positions in churches, whether they might be in schools, chaplains, the community, the mission field, wherever. And these courses are accredited and can be taken through either the Australian College of Theology or Eastern College of Australia. And the third area is the research wing, and we have a research department that naturally inspires and stimulates our activities in the other two departments. And we conduct, for example, various research projects that help, for instance, churches and mission organizations to run some aspects of their work more effectively. We publish helpful material, and we host regular conferences on the integration of theology and psychology. I'm really thankful for our team of experts who serve at CTP. We have a number of professionals on board with us, and they have different backgrounds in theology, counseling, and psychiatry even. And together they offer really a wealth of experience in integrative research, teaching and training. Please visit our website and find out more about our offers and what we're doing, our activities and events, our degrees and courses. And feel free to get in touch with us. I'd love to hear from you, and I'm saying thank you for watching.